Hello everyone, these are cherry trees that I grew from cherries I bought on the supermarkets. Eventually they're going to grow to a tree like this. And now I want to show you how to do it. First, get a bunch of cherries, eat them, and keep the cherry pits. Use something to open the pits. I use a plier that can cut and also a nail cutter. With the plier, cut the edge of the pit and try not to damage the seed that's inside. Be very careful. Now you can see the seeds. With a nail cutter, you can cut off the rest of the pit. And here you go. This is the seed that will germinate into a cherry tree. Again, be very careful. It can also be helpful to let the pits dry before opening them, because when they're dry, they get less slippery. This one opened in one shot. It can happen. And after you have a good quantity of cherry seeds, get 2 napkins, open them like this, put one on top of the other, put the seeds, then water the seeds and the paper. Turn it around and water it again. Put it inside a plastic container. Cover it. Put the date. And finally keep it in the fridge for around 3 months. So after 5 months with the cherry seeds on the fridge, let's see how they look. The roots only started growing after 3 months on the fridge. Immediately at that time I could have put them on soil, but I didn't, and the time went by and now they are 5 months in the fridge. The roots are a little bigger, but there's no problem. I'm going to do it now. And so let's see how the roots are, and then I want to put them on potting soil. So let's take a look. Let's open the paper. There you go. Some created big roots. Some created smaller roots, like this one. And some did not create roots. This one has a big root. This one has a big root. Okay. Now let's put it on soil, and I have prepared here potting soil inside these cups with holes in the bottom for the water to drain. I always put something in another cup to make space between the 2 cups for the water to fall down. Let's start. Make a hole on the soil and then put the cherry seed and the roots pointing down. Okay, good, like this. You don't have to over cover the seed and the root. Press it gently to make a good contact between the soil and the roots, and then water it with a generous quantity of water. Water it very well. This is full of water in the surface, but the water is draining down. So water it very well. Next one, make a hole, put the cherry seed with the root pointing down. Don't exaggerate with the deepness, leave it a little bit outside, like this. Press it gently to make a good contact between the soil and the roots, and then put abundant water. And you can put water until it starts getting out from the holes. Now you know you have a good quantity of water. The same thing over here. Over here I have a bigger recipient, also with holes in the bottom. If you're enjoying the video, please put the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to receive more of my videos. So now already put on soil all the seeds that germinated. Water them every day or every 2 days to keep the soil always humid. Don't exaggerate. Don't let the soil get saturated with water. Put it in a bright place, and when the first leaves start appearing, moderate the quantity of water. So put water only when the soil starts getting a little bit dry. And this is 2 weeks after putting the seeds on soil, and we can see that we already have the trees growing well. The majority of them already developed leaves. Only 2 weeks and they seem fine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put the thumbs up in the video. See you and goodbye.